Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to the channel Sona and her world. Today we are going to record a second video on Grasshopper. So in this video uh, we will create some more flags, the task that is given, and we will talk about functions. So without any delay, just let's start it. Okay. Okay. So in the last video we had created French flag. In this video we will in the last video we had created this French flag. In this video we will try to cover up all these so that we can start as soon as possible the variables, these portions we can start these variables. Okay, so let's complete first these beginner things. Okay, so let's start. Why we are going to start this? Because we will do some more practice to see the different codings, different way of uh, the work that we have already done in the previous video. Okay, so in this video uh, we have the task. This is some new flag, some different flag that we have to create. Okay, so in this flag the first stripes are green, the second is yellow, and third is blue. Let me use the pen. Okay, the first one is this, second is yellow, and third is blue. This is something that we have to create, and this is our uh, code. Actually this is our the current work is done, and we have to complete this. We have to create here yellow and here blue, and this is the code that is already this using this much of code this work is done. So we have to complete this code so that flag can be fully created. Okay, so let's do that. Tap here. Okay, so our cursor is there, so let's go put our cursor here. So here is our cursor. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is the function, and we are passing the parameter yellow. To create the yellow boxes we have to use the function drawbox and pass the color yellow. Let's do that. So use this function drawbox and pass the color yellow. So did you see how am I using? I'm tapping on this one, then tapping on choosing the color from here. Okay, so we have the functions here and we have the parameters here. Fine. Okay, now let's create one more drawbox, yellow color box. Okay, now we have to create a new line, because if we do not create new line, what will happen? It will go to the in the continuation of the line. Okay, if we do not put the line, it will go to this way. The blue color will be going to the next of the yellow color. Okay, so we don't have to do that. So now use the new line. Okay, again do the drawbox, pass the parameter blue color, do the drawbox, pass the parameter blue color, and the same, and we are done. Now let's click on the play button. Okay, so yeah, nice. Now go to the next lesson. Okay, now in this session, in this chapter, we have some kind of test that we have to solve. Okay, click on this. So here it is asking how many blue boxes will be drawn from the code. This is the code, and we have to tell how many blue boxes will be created. using this code. So if we observe, there is, these are all drawbox function. Sorry, let me erase this. Yeah, drawbox orange, drawbox blue. This is just a orange new line. Drawbox orange, this is just blue, so this is not going to print, this is not going to print blue box. This is just a blue parameter or variable. Okay, so only one, this one, this one, yeah, only this one, uh, this one is going to print a blue box. Okay, so press 1 and say continue. I did not get the answer. Was it right? Sorry, let's go to the back. We said okay, so yeah, it is saying it is saying correct, one is correct. Okay, fine, you can see only one blue box will be created. Okay, so now continue and go to the now we are looking to this one. We are going to see this one, use a function, use a function. Now let's go to that, tap on this. Okay, yeah, here it is saying now, so here we will talk something about function. So here it is saying drawbox is a function. A function tells a computer to do a certain things. Function can take argument to give the computer extra information. For example, drawbox red has red as an argument, telling the computer to draw the red box. So kid, first of all, what is function? Okay, let's first solve this, give the answer. Actually, this is not a question, this is just some hint from Grasshopper. So it is trying to say like what are the functions that we used, okay, in our code that we have previously done in previous video and in this video. So see, drawbox is a function, so the related, it is the related function, it's not related function but it is saying related keys, like this one is function, this is function, this is function, drawbox, new line, drop boxes, these are all function. So guys, kids, what is a function? Here it is saying a function tells a computer to do a certain things. Are you clear about it? uh, I would like to explain it in a more easy way. I will try to give an example of real world so that we can uh, connect easily with the function. What is a function? Uh, Computer, we give programming language or coding is a way to give command to the computer, we know. But to do a long task, to do a long task, we have to write so many codes, so many lines of codes. So what we try to do, we break those lines in a certain, in a function. Let's say we have multiple tasks, multiple steps to follow, multiple actions to do. So for each action we will create a function. Okay, uh, let's say let's say we have, you know, that in a real life you do, okay, let's say in a real life what you have to do, you have to make a, suppose, chips. So what you do, what you will do, first you will uh, chop the potatoes, actually in a chips shape, and then you will do something with it, whatever this is. You will, you know, I think boil this and then dry this. So there are at least three steps, right? Making chips. Actually, it can be more. Huh? You can first wash the potato, and then chop the potato, and boil, and then dry. So there are four action in this. So the what we can do to write this functionality, we can write without any function. We can just write all the lines in one file. huh? But that is not a good programming. To write a good program, we will create functions for each action.